Hey, thanks.
Would you build me one?
I have been waiting my entire life for this moment. Yes.
Thanks, Dad.
What's your dad doing?
I think he's building me a treehouse.
All right, you guys ready? Okay, here it is.
Wow!
What do you guys think?
It's awesome! Wow!
Come on, let's check it out.
This is awesome!
This place is actually pretty great.
Can you believe I built it on a battery? Yeah. Jerky?
Dad, I think you've had enough jerky today.